We are not alone. Look up at the sky tonight. And I mean, really look. On a clear night, you can see thousands of stars with the naked eye. But here is a number that might shake you. According to NASA, there are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. 2 trillion. And within each galaxy, there are hundreds of billions of stars, many with their own planets orbiting around them. So let me ask you this. Do you truly believe that out of all those stars, all those planets, and all those galaxies, the Earth is the only one that got lucky enough to produce life? I do not think so. And in my perspective, it is more terrifying to believe that we are alone in our universe than not with how large our universe is. What do you think? So today, I am here to convince you that extraterrestrial life almost certainly exists, and that science is already pointing us in that direction. First, let us talk about logic. The Drake equation, developed by astronomer Frank Drake, is a mathematical framework designed to estimate the number of communicative civilizations that could exist in the Milky Way alone. Even with the most conservative estimates, the number suggests that the probability of us being the only intelligent life in the universe is astronomically, and I mean that literally, small. When we consider that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth, the idea that only one tiny planet produced life begins to seem not humble, but arrogant. Second, science is already giving us direct evidence that life can exist beyond Earth. In 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope was launched to study exoplanet atmospheres, planets orbiting other stars. Scientists have already identified planets within the so-called Goldilocks zone, regions where liquid water can exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. In 2023, researchers reported the detection of chemical signatures associated with biological processes on an exoplanet called K218b. While not confirmed, it raises a bold and exciting question. Could life already be out there thriving? And here in our own solar system, Mars once had flowing rivers and lakes. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has a liquid ocean beneath its icy surface. Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, actually shoots water vapor into space. These are not science fiction. These are documented facts from real space missions. Some of you might say, but we haven't found proof yet. And so that I say, absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. Again, absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, and humanity has been exploring space for less than a century. We have barely scratched the surface. The universe is not empty. It is vast, ancient, filled with raw ingredients of life. The evidence is building, from exoplanet research to subsurface ocean in our own solar system. It is not a matter of it is not a matter of if we will find evidence of extraterrestrial life. It is a matter of when. We live in an ever expanding universe. And in that universe, I believe we are not alone. The stars are not empty, and the more we look, the more we will find. The greatest discovery in human history may already be within our reach. Thank you.